one thing every trader wants to know is, where will the market go today? Really, that's the only thing, the only piece of information that would make you very successful in trading. But of course, we don't have a crystal ball, and so we don't know where the market is going to go on any particular day. There's a saying that was attributed to Yogi Berra, and Yogi supposedly said, "It's tough to make predictions, especially about the future." Well, that's true, especially if you're a trader, right? Hi, I'm Marv Eisen of Timeless Dollar Trading Academy, and here's my chart from Friday the 13th. And for me, Friday the 13th has always been a pretty lucky day. And if you're a trader, especially a trader who follows my trading zone reports and watches my videos, you know that the gap trade is a trade that always presents itself an opportunity if you know to look for it. And Friday, the gap trade presented itself as an opportunity. The market opened up right down here, which coincided with the support level of my calculated Taylor trading zone. And the market opened up right at support, and after a few minutes we can discern that the prices were moving up indeed and moving toward the gap, toward the area of equilibrium where the previous day's prices closed at 4 p.m. And so this was a 30-point trade, possible trade if you knew to look for it. And so if you caught 20 to 30 points, you did great and you could have gone home. But at the same time, if you wanted to stay and trade the afternoon, or if you missed the gap trade and you had a subscription to my trading zone report that has the Taylor numbers, you could basically stay on board and watch the day as prices traversed way up through the trading zone, right and topped right over here, just about touched the trading zone resistance at 40.25. And this is the area where I surmised that prices were going to trade. Not that I surmised, I calculated prices were going to trade in this area, and indeed they did. I was cautious, and the reason for my caution is that prices are reaching a inflection point. Now, why do I say that? Well, here prices reached a high yesterday, a high of 40.24, okay? Now, prices have been going up the last few days, but let me go back one day. And where was the high on the previous day? 40.18. Only 6 points. Prices only gained 6 points in this one day. But nevertheless, for traders who knew what to look for the gap, and had a subscription to the Taylor trading zone, it was a very good day, or it should have been a very good day. So what am I talking about when I say prices are reaching an inflection point? Well, let's look at the big picture, and I'm going to switch now to the one-day candle. This is the one-day candle of the S&P, and I have my cursor right here on January 1st, December 21st, 2021. And this black line, watch it as I scroll to the left, and these are daily candles, remember, and I scroll to the left and look at the months, March, April, May, down at the bottom. I'm going to continue scrolling to the left, and I'm going to come to right where we are, right over here. And notice this black line was resistance for an entire year where the market did not violate this black line. So where are we now? We are almost at that black line. And will prices violate it this time? We don't know, but this is an area to watch for. So if you've been playing it long and thinking that we are on a tear up to the upside and we'll retrace the losses from 2022, well, watch this area right over here. Anyway, that's my video for today. If you are looking for some insight as to trading and you want to know where the prices might trade on any given day, subscribe to the Taylor Trading Zone report. I calculate the numbers every day at timelessdollar.com. Monday, January 16th is Martin Luther King Day. Markets are closed. We'll reopen on Tuesday, January 17th, and we will see if the market challenges this resistance. Thanks so much for watching. This is Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. Have a great day, great weekend, and I'll see you in my next video.